So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Once the lab is started, just right click over here and open the Looker incognito window. Now here we have to simply enter the credentials which are present over here. So just copy the username and simply paste over here. Wait for the page to fully load first of all. So now here enter the email and do with the pass to. So like this, you have to click on login and wait for the page to open. Now the first thing what you have to do, you have to click on this option to enable a development mode so that you are able to modify the files. After that, you have to simply click on develop, Qwiklabs e-commerce and simply follow as I am doing right. Now from here, just click on models, trending underscore e-commerce, replace entire content, come to the description box of this video. I've shared this file in the GitHub repository, copy it from here, paste it, save it and validate LookML. After that, click on commit and you can write any message over here. Okay. So just click on commit and after that simply click on deploy to production. Now once it is done, it will look like up to date and after that just come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. So you can check the score directly by coming over here at the bottom also. There is not any issue and the lab takes time to update the score. So wait for a minute if you are not getting score instantly. Okay. So as I got the score instantly, you can try again later and just wait for some time if you're not getting it. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.